How many times have you been told to work hard? And how many times do you have to justify to your boss, your parents, or your teachers that you have been working very hard? Hard work is the key to success, and it is very important for us to know how we can talk about it. Hello, I'm Neha, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 idioms that you can use to talk about working hard. If you are a manager, then you can use these expressions to motivate your team to work harder. If you're a teacher, then you can use these to appreciate a hardworking student or to push your students to put in more effort. And if you are a student or a working professional, then you can use these idioms to present yourself as hard-working individuals. In short, there is something for everyone in this video. And at the end of it, I'm going to share with you a bonus idiom which means the opposite of working hard. So stay tuned right till the end. And if you're new here, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't go away without liking this video if you find this useful. So let's get started. Idiom number 1. Work your fingers to the bone. Work your fingers to the bone, which means to work extremely hard. Now this idiom works very well if you want to say that you have been working really very hard. So much so that you cannot work harder than this. Now let's look at some examples. I have worked my fingers to the bone to become a doctor. Or the chef has worked her fingers to the bone cooking for 45 guests in 2 hours. Work your fingers to the bone. Idiom number 2, go the extra mile, which means to do more than what is expected of you. You can use this idiom to say that you need to work a little extra or to put in some extra effort to get the desired success. Now let's look at some examples. If you want to get the promotion this year, you need to go the extra mile. Or the hotel went the extra mile to make its guest comfortable. So go the extra mile becomes went the extra mile when you're talking about the past. Go the extra mile. Idiom number 3, pull your socks up. Pull your socks up, which means to make an extra effort for a better performance or to improve your work. If you're a manager or a teacher, then this idiom is tailor-made for you. You can use this idiom to tell people that they need to put in more effort to become successful at what they do. Now let's look at some examples. I have my exams starting next week. I need to pull my socks up. Or, you need to submit these files by the end of the day. You better pull your socks up. Pull your socks up. Idiom number 4, buckle down. Buckle down, which means to start working hard or to start taking your work seriously. You can use this idiom in a situation wherein you need to start putting in more effort or start working hard to see the results. Now let's look at some examples. The match is next month. It's time to buckle down and practice harder. Or your exams are next week. You better buckle down and start your revision work. Buckle down. Idiom number 5, pull out all the stops. Pull out all the stops, which means to do everything that you can to make something successful. Now you can use this idiom for a situation wherein you cannot afford to fail or lose, or when you have to put in a great effort to achieve something. Now let's look at some examples. I need to pull out all the stops to get this job. Or you need to pull out all the stops to crack this entrance exam. Pull out all the stops. Now the bonus idiom, that is, put your feet up. Put your feet up, which means relax. So now is the time for you to put your feet up and think about all the idioms that you learned today in this video and tell us how you're going to use them in your own sentences in the comments below. We have lots of other videos about idioms for different situations. You can check them out in the description box below. And if you found this video useful, please share it with your friends, family, and anyone who can benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel in case you haven't already, and press the bell icon next to it so that you do not miss any of our latest video. So that's all for now. See you again.